It's no more a new thing that creating videos like this has become the easiest way to grow your social media followers, even reach more customers, and start earning massively with your social contents.
I used some special prompts and AI tool to generate any type of character. I used an AI tool to generate powerful content, which then enabled me to generate a realistic human voice. I then animated these AI character using other special tools and did some finishing touches, which I'll show you step by step.
Take a look at these amazing pictures and videos which I made for my clients. I will also be teaching you exactly how I was able to make them.
Remember, attaining peace of mind is paramount. External chaos is fleeting. Your mind, the canvas. Nurture self-awareness. Let go of burdens.
My name is Marvelous. I am a compassionate and skilled registered nurse dedicated to providing exceptional health care. With a Bachelor of Science in Nursing,
I'm Daniel, the driving force behind Dana's phone accessories. I'm your go-to source for stylish and functional phone accessories, as I deal on quality phone accessories such as earpiece, phone pouch, headphones, and many more.
You can do all this and more using your smartphone or laptop and at the comfort of your home. You have 100% resale rights to this course. With a one-time payment of 1,000 Naira today, you will get this complete course. And not just that, you will also get a bonus video of how I was able to reinstate my restricted ad account. Click on any link in this video to get access to this course now. Click on any link attached to this video and get this course now.